Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove warts, how to burn them off easy without being in too much pain. I've seen others on the internet, on YouTube, people using soldering irons that just hurts like shit, so I'll show you an easy way to do it. Alright, so first, there's my little wart down there. So I've already done this, so I'll just pretend we'll do it again. Alright, there's my little one there. Alright, so what you gotta do is you gotta get some nail cutters, cut it so you cut the wart off, and it shows the skin, the smooth skin. So you get rid of that wart layer on top of it. Okay, so once you've done that, then what you do is use these matches, and then use that to burn the wart off. Okay, just like this. I'm going to burn my carpet here. Alright, so you just burn it, let it heat up for a bit, and then as soon as it's like that, you just put it on top of the wart. Alright, then just hold it there. It hurts a bit, not as badly as a soldering iron. It's bearable, this pain. It's actually not that bad. And then you just throw away the match once it doesn't have any more heat. Do that about 10 times. You can dab it if you want, if you have a bit of a high pain tolerance. Alright, then you just hold it there until the heat's gone. And you go on to the next one. Alright, so you do that about 10 times with 10 matches. If you do this enough times, that wart should probably be like a bit black from all the burning and all the ash from the matches. Just let it heat up for a bit. Alright, just like that. You do that with 10 matches every night for about, I don't know, a week or two. And then, yeah, it should be gone. Simple, easy.